Alright guys, what's up? This is Dylan with Mid-South LED. Today we got a new side marker light for the 25 plus Tahoe Yukon Escalade, not the Escalade IQ, but the Escalades. Pretty much we're going to take this ugly amber light and we're going to put a color matched one on there. This one lights up white and blinks amber when you turn your blinker on. Most of it's plug and play except for your blinker wire. You got to tap it into your headlight harness. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay? So, you come down here, probably come over here. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I wanna say they are T15, T10. Give me a second, I'll let you know. Hey. All right, we're gonna have some T10s out here that we have to take apart. It's gonna be 1 down here at the bottom, 2, 3, 4, and then you don't have to take that one off, but it makes it a little easier. All right, so got this new snap-on electric ratchet. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna try it out, see how it works out. So without the switchback function, this install takes like less than 10 minutes per side for the average person. It's so easy. At least on the Yukons. I haven't done the Tahoe yet. I heard the Tahoe is a little bit more time consuming. There's a piece of plastic blocking the light that you have to unbolt. I think the Escalades, they're fine. I don't think there's any issues with those. But I have heard that the Tahoes do have a couple little things that you got to move out of the way. Come on. Just keep pushing it. Alright. So, let me get this out of the way so y'all can see that the other side did perfectly fine. There we go. Alright. You can kind of see up in there pretty good. You're going to have 3 7mm. You're going to have one right here. You're gonna have one down there, and then you're gonna have one on the side. You can kind of just look at your light and tell where it is on there. Unfortunately, guys, you're not going to get through it under the hood. You'll have to go through the wheel well liners on this. Another option you can do is take off this whole front bumper and headlights, but that's just going to take forever. I mean, it's very unnecessary to do that. But all right, y'all have a good one. All right, guys. So just like that. We got her done. The driver's side's a lot easier than the passenger side. Passenger side headlight plug is just a little farther up in there, a little tighter. Definitely need to have some patience for that for sure. We knocked it out here in about 25 minutes to do both sides. Not too bad, but we're very familiar with it. This is a pre-order right now. I don't even have them ready to go just yet, but I would say probably about roughly 30 to 60 days we should have them in stock and ready to ship. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for following.